Alright, y'all, this is gonna be an elevator tour. We're starting with this building. It's gonna be a long video. But together, we're gonna film 3 elevators, or 4. 3 or 4. So, we're gonna start ourselves off in this building, in our main building, in the Bay Club 2 Resort. Let's go down the ground. There's nobody here. Let's go up to 6. We're gonna send this one on the ground and we're gonna get that one now and take 2 rides on this one. Let's get a view real quick. Door's got issues, bro. It's like it wants to be traction, but it doesn't want to be traction at the same time. Ooh. I think we'll only take 1 ride on this one because we do have our elevators to film. But I do want to, like, show off the special features of this one. But I want to actually ride the air ones first. So we're going to call it quits on this one. So that's going to be it for this building. Here we come to our next building, Bay Club 1. This is the Bay Club 1 building. Near the elevators. Oh. Okay. That one's kind of worse than that one. That one has some problems too. This one likes to rumble a lot. Not rumble. While we wait, let's get a view. Yeah, the stairwells are blocked off. I don't know if those stairwells are blocked off too. I think they are. Actually, let's check out these stairwells. I actually want to see if these are blocked off too. Because if they are, then I might have to just take the elevator down. Let's give me the stupid part. Oh, they don't look blocked off. I don't think they, nope, and they aren't. So we could take these steps. But we're gonna ride the elevators up here. Let's go ride them. I don't know how I feel about this resort. This resort looks a little more creepy, but this one's more like interior corridors. Oh, one of them's here already. There's your lantern. Let's get down to one. These are your buttons. Otis Series 1. Little panel here to tell you what's going on. Experience Harbor Walk. Here at 1. Let's move up. That's gonna be it for these elevators. Now, technically, so there is another bank of elevator. There is another elevator. It's in there. There's another elevator. But I don't think we're gonna go ride it because it's really weird. Also, I think it's closed off. No, it doesn't. I don't know. We'll see. No, it's not. We can go right in there and ride it. But I don't think we're going to. I'll tell you we're gonna ride. There's one more bank of elevators that we gotta ride. There's another 2 bank elevators. You'll see in a few minutes when we get there. Yeah, in there's another elevator. In there. But we're not gonna go film it. We're actually gonna make our way to a different building real quick. We're gonna go film the condominium elevators now at the Sandestin Bay Club. The Bay Club at Sandestin condominiums. Look at the sunlight, bro. Very bright sun in my eyes right now. I can't see jack. And it's a little chilly, so I should wear a jacket today. Check out the pool real quick. We'll check it actually on our way back. Let's go do this filming. So, in order to get to those elevators, it's not really bad of a walk, but it's still kind of far. You have to walk a while. You gotta walk down this nice little pathway here. And then in here, there's a ballroom. Bayside ballroom, so this is what we want. Because you can access the elevators from the Bayside ballroom. Now, we have to be careful of is not, because we're technically not staying there, so we have to be careful. Because if you get caught there staying there, then it's really bad. But I'm debating if I want to use this video or the other videos I made. I might just use this video because to save me some time. But all again, it'll be a long video if I were to film just that. So we're gonna think about it, and maybe I'll save this video. But here it is, the conference center right here. So let's get in on it. Oh, it looks like the leak is gone. So then next to it, we're gonna go through this door. You go through this door. Oh, I don't know how long this looked for, so I'm sorry. But you go through this door, then you walk into here. Oh, look, it's one of those cool old fire alarms. But you walk into here, and then you walk into here, and then you got Otis. Looks like this one's coming. Let's go up to 8. These are Otis attractions. They're fast. Here are 8. Oh, classic leveling. Let's go back down to 1. Dang. Slap happy. Going now? 1, I'm guessing. Jesus. It's gonna be for those elevators. So, just like that, everybody, that is gonna wrap up our elevator tours of 3 major elevators. And maybe we'll throw in that elevator tomorrow as a bonus video. Maybe we'll think about it. I know where it goes too, but maybe we'll think about it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for our elevator tours video. I'll film the 3 elevators that I have access to. Now there are different elevators that I had access to. Their videos will be posted up soon, and that will be Majestic Sun. But right now, that'll be it. So we're gonna end it off with a nice little view of the conference room. We'll turn around. That's it.